In the previous video, you are learned exercise 3.6 first two problems. Now third problem. Subtract 1 by x square plus 2 from 2x cube plus x square plus 3 whole divided by x square plus 2 whole square. So this is rewritten as for 2x cube plus x square plus 3 whole divided by x square plus 2 whole square minus 1 by x square plus 2. You know, from after what is given, for this is this first expression, subtract from this expression. For this one, this expression minus this expression. First you write the given problem rewritten as this form. Then for you have to take a LCM. For LCM you have to compare the denominators. Here x plus 2 whole square, here x plus 2. So commonly we have to consider LCM, common denominator is x square plus 2 whole square. So you have to compare these two, we have the same. So just take and write the numerator. Now you have to compare the second one denominator and this new denominator. For here x plus 2, for here x plus 2 whole square. So one more x square plus 2 is need. So this 1 into x square plus 2. So now for 2x cube plus x square plus 3, this minus you have to take inside, that is minus x square minus 2. Minus into plus minus 2. Whole divided by x square plus 2 whole square. Plus x square minus x square cancel. After cancelling we have for 2x cube, you have to simplify these two constant terms, 3 minus 2, that is plus 1. Whole divided by x square plus 2 whole square. Now fourth question, which rational expression should be subtracted from x square plus 6x plus 8 whole divided by x cube plus 8 to get 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4. Like that problem already you are learned in 9th standard 3rd chapter. Do you remember? Yes. Now which rational expression should be subtracted from that unknown expression? You have to consider some of the name p of x or q of x or f of x. Any general polynomial you have to consider. Okay, so that is x square plus 6x plus 8 by x cube plus 8 minus p of x or any other polynomial equal to 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4. Then you have to simplify the given expression. That is, the given problem is rewritten as this form. That unknown expression we have to consider as a p of x. So that is, for we have to subtract some rational expression. That rational expression consider as p of x. That is x square plus 6x plus 8 whole divided by x cube plus 8 minus p of x is equal to 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4. Now you have to apply the transposing rules. X square plus 6x plus 8 by x cube plus 8. That right hand side expression moves to left hand side. That left hand side p of x moves to right hand side. So now for you have to rewrite this. That is their factors. For x square plus 6x plus 8 factors is x plus 2 into x plus 4. That is you have to make a I factor for that side. Okay, that is the product value is 8. Adding value is 6. So that is 2 4s are 8. So that is the factors are x plus 2 into, for this one factor, this quadratic equation factor is x plus 2 into x plus 4 by, for it is in the form a cube plus b cube. It is a 8. 8 is written as 2 cube. Okay. For it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. The formulas make remember a cube plus b cube formula. A cube, 8 is written as 2 cube. So that is x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 4 minus 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4. Now for this x plus 2 cancel. For we have here x plus 4, here 3. In the denominator, the first one denominator x square minus 2x plus 4. The second expression denominator also x square minus 2x plus 4. Same denominator. So you have to add the numerator x plus 4 minus 3 whole divided by x square minus 2x plus 4. Now x plus, simplify these two, 4 minus 3, 1. So x plus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 4. So that unknown expression is x plus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 1. Fifth question, if a equal to 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1, b equal to 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1. Using these two, we have to find 1 minus a minus b minus 2b by a square minus b square. Students, first you have to consider for a value, b value is given. We want to find this one, 1 by a minus b minus 2b by a square minus b square we want to find. First you have to consider this 1 minus a minus b minus 2b by a square minus b square. For this is, first you have to simplify this. Now, simplification, how you make a simplification? Find a LCM for the denominators. For a minus b into a plus b into a minus b, common denominator we consider as a minus b into a plus b. So, now here for along with this one multiple a plus b. So, that is 1 into a plus b. Now, we have the same denominators. For compare these two have same denominators. So, just take and write minus 2b. Now, you have to simplify this minus 2b plus b, that is minus b by a minus b into a plus b. A minus b cancel. So, that is equal to 1 by a plus b. For this one simplification value 1 by a plus b. It is called it as equation number 1. Now, for a plus b values we have to find. That is a value given in the question 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 plus b value 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1. So, you have to make a LCM, that is 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. That is, we want to find a LCM. Here we use a cross multiplication. For this is multiple with this one. For this denominator multiple with this one. Otherwise, you have to use the LCM 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. That means for you have to compare the first one denominator and common denominator. 2x plus 1 is missing. So, this 2x plus 1 multiple with the numerator. Already we have one 2x plus 1. Then another one 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1, that is 2x plus 1 whole square. Plus, now you have to compare these two denominators. For here 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 is missing, that you have to make multiple with this numerator. So, that is 2x minus 1 whole square. Now, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula you know, that is, now it is in the form a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. So, this one formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, we have one formula 2 into a square plus b square. Use this formula. 2 into a square plus b square. Suppose you have simplified these two, you get this answer. Okay. No need to simplify in this problem. Make remember a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square formula is 2 into a square plus b square. So, that is 2 into a square means 2x whole square. So, that is 2 into a square means what? 2x whole square plus 1 square. So, by here a plus b into a minus b. So, that is 2x whole square minus 1 square. So, now it is 2 into 4x square plus 1 by 4x square minus 1. So, now for a plus value we found, for 1 by a plus b equal to 1 by for this value. What value we find here? Right. So, that is you have to take it as a reciprocal. So, that is 4x square minus 1 by 2 into 4x square plus 1. So, this is the simplified answer for this 1 by a minus b minus 2b by a square minus b square. Listen once again, students. The methods just listen. We want to find this value. For this value, you have to find the simplified value, that is 1 by a plus b. Then you have to find a plus b value. Then this a plus b value you have to substitute in this equation. Then they are reciprocal values. 1 by a plus b means what? That is 1 by this value. Reciprocal means you have to make change in the numerator denominator. Now, sixth problem. If a equal to x by x plus 1, b equal to 1 by x plus 1. Prove that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square whole divided by a divided by b is equal to 2 into x square plus 1 by x into x plus 1 whole square. Sixth problem. First you have to consider what we want to prove. For it is a left hand side value a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square whole divided by a divided by b is equal to 2 into x square plus 1 by x into x plus 1 whole square. First we have to consider the left hand side. For left hand side what you have, take and write. For this a divided by b, write it as a fraction form a by b. So now for it is you have to simplify this value. So that is for a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, we have the formula a plus, this is make remember, since a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. You have to use this formula. Please make remember this. For this is 2 into a square. Here capital A and B is used. So a square plus b square whole divided by a plus b. Now for this simplified form, you have to substitute the given values. For a equal to x by x plus 1, b equal to 1 by x plus 1. Now you have to substitute 2 into, for a value x by x plus 1, that is x by x plus 1 whole square, that is x square by x plus 1 whole square. The square applied numerator and denominator separately, plus b square value 1 by x plus 1 whole square, 1 square value 1, so 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by x plus 1 whole square, whole divided by a value x by x plus 1. By means division means taking a reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator and denominator get changes. So this 1 by x plus 1 written as x plus 1 by 1. So now you have to make simplified. It is the same denominator. So it is written as for it is x plus 1 cancel. After cancelling we have, for these two have a same denominator, so add the numerator x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, whole divided by, in the denominator we have, after cancelling we have x. So that is 2 by x into x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So this is written as 2 into x square plus 1 by x into x plus 1 whole square, that is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Once again listen students, first you have to consider the left hand side given value. That left hand side given value, before substituting the given values you have to make simplify. After simplification you have to substitute the given a values, b values. So that is substituted here. So now in the denominator we have a by b. A by b means a value and b value. B value in the fraction. Fraction is there. Division, the second term you have to take a reciprocal. So that is 1 by x plus 1 is written as x plus 1 by 1. For in the denominator x plus 1 cancel. Now the numerator you have to consider, same two terms are, two rational expressions are there. These two have a same denominator. So we have to add the numerator x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 whole square. In the denominator, in this denominator we have x. So 2 by x, write separately. Then here you have x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So now this 2 multiple with this numerator, x multiple with the denominator. So we get the right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. This formula make remember. 7th problem. Pari needs 4 hours to complete a work. His friend Yuvan needs 6 hours to complete the same work. How long will it take to complete if they work together? For Pari's work 4 hours, working hours. For Yuvan 6 hours. So working together means the time taken. Working together we want to find the time taken. So Pari complete the work in 4 hours. Yuvan complete the work in 6 hours. Together complete the work in 1 hour. 1 hour work we want to find. So 1 hour work means totally the time taken 4 hours. For Yuvan time taken is totally 6 hours. So 1 hour 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Like that problem you are learned in 8th standard. Do you remember students? Yes. For it is, this is written as 1 by 4. 1 day work you are learned. So that is 1 hour work. 1 hour work 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. So you have to take a LCM, that is a 624. 4 comma 6 LCM is 24. So this one is multiple by 6. For this is multiple by 4. For it is multiple by 6. It is multiple by 4. So 1 into 6 is 6. 1 into 4 is 4. Whole divided by 24. Now 6 plus 4 10. 10 by 24. Cancelling is possible. That is 5 by 12. So now together to complete the work. We want to find together to complete the work. That is, we have the formula 1 by, what you find for 1 hour. So that is 1 by 5 by 12. So that is 12 by 5 hours. Okay. 12 by 5 hours. So that 12 by 5, it is a improper fraction. You make it as a mixed. That is, it is not 2, it is 2 5s are 10. It is written as 2 into 2 by 5. Okay, it is 2 into 2 by 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. You change it as a mixed fraction. That is 2 into 2 by 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 by 2 into 2 by 5 hours. So this 2 hours you make it as a minute. So how you make it as a minute? This 2 by 5 into 60. So 1 5 is 5, 12 5 is 60. 2 into 12, 24 minutes. So this 2 by 5 hours is written as 2 hours 24 minutes. For this 2 by 5 hours, use this way, you convert it as a minute.